welcome back to another video. If you don't know me, my name is Andrea.Rodriguez, and if you already know who I am, then welcome back. I'm glad you're here. And also, if you're not subscribed yet, then I suggest you do. You can just click the little red button down below and give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. So today's video is gonna be a Rosegal plus size try on haul. Rosegal was really kind enough to sell me some stuff, the bag here. So yeah, they were really kind enough to send me some stuff. They contacted me, I believe, a week ago, and yeah, I think I received my stuff. I received everything Friday. So yeah, the whole shipping stuff and everything took about a week. Exactly a week. It took about a week. And Friday I got my stuff. Today is Tuesday. So yeah, let's open this package and see what's inside. I know what I ordered because I didn't order that many stuff, so I know what's supposed to be inside. But yeah, okay, so as you can see, take everything out. Okay, so in here I have, I'll just poke myself out. I have 3 clothing pieces and then 1 necklace. Okay, so what I like is that everything comes in this little like Ziploc bag, which is pretty cool, and you can see the Rosegal logo. But the thing is that this one says Saffo, so I don't know if they're all like the same company. But anyway, so yeah, it comes in this like super like fancy and like super good quality, you know, Ziploc bag. So the first thing that I have is a jacket, and hopefully if I can still get the picture, I'm gonna put it right here of how it's supposed to look like. Okay, so because Rosegal is an Asian based brand, I know I had to size up on my size, so I did. So for the jacket, I chose like the biggest size they had, which was a US 20, which is a what, 3X? Yeah, I think it was a 3X. And this is how it looks. It's pretty cute. I like it. It just has the silver zipper, and then it has, where's it, a pocket right here, which it works. It's a pocket. So that's how it looks like. Pretty cool. And I'll be putting all the prices somewhere on the screen. And I'll try to link everything. Well, I'll link everything down below. So yeah, so just so you guys know, my measurements are, in tops, I'm a extra large. In jeans, I'm an 18. So if you're like me, you wear a extra large, then I suggest you get the 3X because it fits like perfectly. Like, I feel if I were to size down, it wouldn't fit at all. So if you're an XL, get the 3X. And it's also pretty good quality. I really like the quality. And yeah, it's super cute. It's what I expected, and I'm happy with the jacket. This is my favorite thing out of this haul. This is the jacket. Freaking amazing. It has pockets, which thank God, because some jackets don't come with pockets. I don't know why. It's 2018, so yeah, it looks freaking amazing. I love it. I love this jacket. What do you guys think? So like I was telling you guys that this is the biggest size they had, which is a 3X. It fits perfectly. You may have just a little room, so yeah. If you like tight jackets like this, then I'll recommend you guys going down a size or 2. But if you like to have room, then a 3X is perfect. I really like it. Like, I'm obsessed with this jacket. I don't have anything like this in my closet, so I'm so excited to have it with me now. Freaking amazing. And it has a little pocket right here. Yeah, guys, the quality, like the material, it's freaking awesome. I'll give it a 11 out of 10. Freaking amazing. I love it. You should get it. So the next thing is also in the same zip bag, and it says Rosegal. So this is a wrapped shirt, and I got it in a 3XL. Yes, in a 3XL. So this is how this shirt looks like, and then it has the little ties, so you can tie it at the front or the back, however you like it. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It's the material, it's cotton, so that's pretty good. So that's pretty good for the material. It's a little see-through. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't think so, but I can. It's just a little bit see-through. But if you don't mind see-through shirts, then it's fine. For the price, it's pretty good. And yeah, I like it a lot. I don't have anything like this in my closet, so I'm happy. The thing is just a little too see-through. That's fine. This one doesn't have the snap button, so you have to either be careful or pin it down or something, cause girl, you know. So yeah, it also has ties. You can tie it on the front or the back or however you like. This one doesn't have the stiff lining at the bottom or the sleeves, which I like, and it looks really pretty, to be honest. And I feel like it will look really pretty with the choker. Yeah, it will look really pretty. So that's how it looks like. And yeah, really pretty. And you either have to wear like a nude bra or white bra or like a cami underneath this shirt if you're not comfortable like with see-through shirts. And yeah, I'll give this shirt a 9 out of 10. The last shirt that I have is the same shirt. It's just in a floral print, and this is the one that has the okay, that's you can see it better there. It says sapple. So when you actually like unwrap the shirt, it also has like this sapple paper, so I'm pretty sure it's the same brand. Let me try to figure this out. So look, the actual tag in the shirt says Rosegal. It says Rosegal, but this tag says Sapple. So is it from Sapple or Rosegal? Like, I'm confused, but This shirt, I got it in a 4XL and it's a little big, but it's not like too big that it's gonna look bad because you still have the wraps thingies, whatever, so you can make it just a little smaller on your waist. So yeah, that's how it looks like. It's really pretty. The material, it's a good material, just the thing is that it's super see-through. Like, let me there, you can see the tag. So it's a little see-through, but like I said, if you don't mind the price and the way it looks, then you should get it. It's really, really, really pretty. I love it. This is the first thing that I chose when I was looking for what I was gonna get. So yeah, but also, like I said, I got it in a 4XL. So if you're an XL on tops, then I suggest you get a 3X. The reason why I have it in a 4XL is because, like I said, it's an Asian brand company. So I wasn't sure if I was gonna use like a 3XL or a 4XL. So I just chose 1 and 1. Just, you know, so it wouldn't all not fit, you know what I mean? So yeah, really pretty. I like how it looks like, and for the price, it's amazing. I suggest you get your hands on these pieces. It looks super cute. The only thing is that it's a little stiff from here. It's a little stiff. So I think if you were to just iron it, then it would just fix the problem. But yeah, that's the only thing that I don't really know what to do, or I don't know how I feel about that. But the actual shirt is really pretty. It's super cute. So freaking pretty. And you have the little tight right here. So I don't know if you wanted tied in the front like I had it right now, like this. It should look super pretty. Or you can have it the other way. Let me show you guys. Like this in the back, which also looks super cute. Remove my hair. It looks freaking cute. So it all depends on your preferences, right? And also right here, it has a little snap button, just because if you want to be more, you know, covered from this part. So yeah, but you can have it open, and it's all the way like right here. So yeah, so it's really cute, really pretty. I love how it looks. It's so girly and it's perfect. I really like this shirt. I give it a 10 out of 10. And the shipping was really fast. It only took a week, which is crazy because it comes all the way from like the other side of the world. So that's freaking amazing. And then the last thing that I have is the little necklace. Okay. So it comes in this little package right here, this little bag. So it was supposed to look like this, and it does look like that. It does. So it comes in like two little necklaces. So first one, the first one is the choker part. It's gonna be short too to show you guys. So this is the choker part. And then you have the little necklace, the heart. It's the little heart. It's super cute. So I really like how it looks like. Is the necklace. This is how it looks like, and it barely fits. And I have a, I don't know, normal neck. I don't know. I don't think it's that big. So if you have like a bigger neck, I don't think it's gonna fit. But if you have like my, I don't know. It's the first time talking about necks. What am I supposed to say? I don't know. It's just that if you have a similar neck to mine, then get the necklace. But yeah, this is how it looks. It's freaking pretty. Actually, I actually like how it looks with everything that I'm wearing. Let me show you guys. It looks pretty cute. It looks super girly. What do you guys think? It's really pretty. I love how it looks. Just so you guys know, I'll have all the links in the description box below. So go check it out and get yourself some of these items. I'm definitely wearing everything that I have. Everything. I'm so in love with everything that I got. I really love the little necklace and the shirt, and the freaking jacket is amazing. So again, I just want to say thank you so much for Rosegal for sending me this stuff. Thank you guys so much. That's amazing, and I hope you guys want to work with me in the future again. So yes, and another thing is to you guys, thank you guys so much for 400 subscribers. I was out of focus. Thank you guys so much for 400 subscribers. That's crazy. Can't believe I'm almost at half. I was gonna say 500,000. Have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. That's freaking crazy. And I wouldn't be here in my house recording, talking to myself without you guys. And you know, I just want to be real and tell you guys everything. And yeah, thank you guys again for being here and supporting me. And yes, before I go, I just want to say, if you're not subscribed yet, do so on the red button down below, and give me a like, and tell me guys what you guys would like to see on my next videos. And yeah, because I want to do something different in my channel, because I know I usually have like plus size videos and like makeup and stuff, and I don't know, I would like to have like, I don't know, a mukbang or something different. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say, and just want to say I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.